How are you all? Are you all fine? So in this video, I will share again with you guys about what? Namely about how to reset a Windows 11 laptop using keyboard buttons without deleting data files. He only deletes applications that we have downloaded. Okay, friends, let's go straight to how to research it, okay? So, please friends pay attention to the shift button here. Just pay attention first, there is a way, yes. The way here, friends, please go to the start menu on the laptop start menu, then to the restart button. Here there is the word restart, yes. Now, before you guys click the restart word here, friends, hold the shift button first, yes. Hold and don't release. Hold like this. Press and then we click restart. Now, click restart, then the laptop will restart like this. Please wait, yes. Now, don't release the shift button yet. Hold it first. Hold, yes. Well, about 10 seconds or so. A flash-wide display like this will appear. Don't release the shift key until a blue screen appears. Well, the blue screen looks like this, friends. Well, this is where you can release the shift key, friends. Now, in this display, please click troubleshoot, then click reset this PC. Here there is a notification, keep my files. Keep my files means we don't delete data, yes. Then when it says cloud or local, we choose local. If the cloud requires internet, if local does not. Remember, the first keep my files then local, like that to keep data safe. And without us using WP here. Just wait, friends, there will be an info notification. Info like this. Like, for example, this will delete this will delete that. Well, a notification like this. There is a notification, yes. Change settings back to the foul. This means returning to factory settings. Personal files. If we don't delete files, it means the files remain on our laptop and are not deleted. Fourth, reinstall Windows. Well, that means resetting Windows to factory settings. Reset. Please click reset. Then the laptop will restart. Like this. Resetting DSP 1%. Here we just speed it up. Why speed it up, sir? To be cool, to be fast, yes. Yes, because this research takes a long time, friends. It depends on the speed of the laptop too. Some take 1 hour, some 2 hours. If the laptop has standard specifications, it can take up to 4 hours. But usually the average is 2 hours, yes. Well, we just speed it up, it's okay, yes. Now, just for your information, when friends reset the laptop, what you must do is charge the laptop at the same time. What, sir, if the battery is full? It's okay, just charge it, yes. Because of what? If, for example, in the reset position like this, the battery runs out, for example, it's fatal. A fatal error is fatal, really fatal. The laptop cannot enter Windows, yes, and how to fix it is very difficult. That's why we have to prepare an umbrella before it gets hot, before it rains. We have to prepare an umbrella before it rains, okay? Please charge your laptop so it doesn't run out of battery like that. I can't believe it's already at 81%. Just wait, there's only about 20% left. For friends who like coffee, please have coffee. Those who like snacking, please have snacks. Those who like sleeping, don't sleep. If you leave this, you're afraid the battery will run out and then die, then it will fail. Now, for those who like smoking while smoking, okay, great. Have black coffee, drink ABC coffee, okay. Key. Use NYI Hanet. Instead of waiting for Malohawk like this, it's annoying. Oh my friends, you know Malohawk. Malohawk. Okay, it's done, friends. It's 100%, it will restart, okay. It's not dead, friends, but restarting. Just wait, okay. Just wait. As usual, like a laptop restarting, it rotates like this. Later, when it rotates like this, a blue screen appears. What kind of blue screen, bro? Blue, and then it comes back here. Basically, this installation is up to 100%. This is only 70%. Just wait. Now, I'll explain the application problem. I explained earlier that applications will be lost, but not including the default applications. For example, if we buy a laptop, it already has applications, it already has Windows. Well, those factory default applications are not lost. Like Microsoft Office, it's not lost. The music and video player is not lost. The drivers are not lost. What's lost are the applications that we've downloaded, the ones we've downloaded ourselves. Well, those will be lost and we need to reinstall them. Okay, guys, this is done, it's 100%, then it will load like this. Just like installing Windows. It will blink like this. Well, it will be fast, Abrahai. Like this. This might take a few minute again. Don't turn off your PC. Now, here, don't run out of battery. It's serious if it runs out of battery. Wow, I'm talking, bro. It's okay to run out of battery as long as you don't run out of money. Wow. That's what mothers say. If they run out of money, they'll frown. But men, fathers, relax. If they run out of money for coffee, they run out of coffee, they'll go back. Ouch. Well, this is done, guys. Almost later he will enter Windows. Yes, the restart or reset recovery process for Windows 11 is complete. Now, for the applications, everything we downloaded is gone, there are only icons. This icon can be deleted, friends. Please re-download the necessary applications. But for example, the default applications are not lost, and this is for the data. For the data, it is still complete, nothing is lost. In document data, downloads, pictures, videos, local data on disk D or disk E, it is safe. Well, that's how to reset a Windows 11 laptop to factory settings like that. Now, for friends who are watching this video, please practice it yourself. Just practice it slowly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid to try. If, for example, there is something you don't understand or